A 150 megapixel medium format camera entering the market would already be a major headline in the photography world, but what makes this particular rumor so unusual is not just the specification, it is the brand behind it. The device being discussed is the rumored Hasselblad X3D 150C, a camera that has not been officially announced, teased, or even confirmed by the company. There have been no launch events, no press materials, and no formal statements. Instead, everything surrounding it comes from fragmented leaks, insider speculation, and repeated mentions across industry discussions. Despite the complete absence of official information, the level of attention it has received is unusually high. This raises a natural question: why would a product that technically does not exist yet generate so much conversation and anticipation across the photography community body? Part of the answer lies in how modern camera rumors spread, but a more important reason is the consistency of the information circulating about the Hasselblad X3D 150C. While details are unverified, multiple independent sources appear to be pointing in a similar direction, which is enough to capture the interest of professionals and enthusiasts alike. In an industry where even minor sensor upgrades can significantly affect workflow, the idea of a jump from 100 megapixels to 150 megapixels is not a small step, it is a fundamental shift in imaging capability. That is why the Hasselblad X3D 150C has quickly become a topic of serious discussion rather than casual speculation. To understand why this rumor feels so impactful, it is important to first understand Hasselblad's position in the camera industry. Unlike mainstream brands that compete heavily in speed, autofocus performance, and mass-market hybrid functionality, Hasselblad operates in a much more specialized segment. Its focus is not on versatility for all users, but on delivering the highest possible image quality for professionals who demand absolute precision. The company's current flagship, the X2D 150C, already represents one of the most refined digital medium format systems available today. With its 100 megapixel sensor, exceptional dynamic range, and highly regarded color science, it has become a tool of choice for high-end commercial photography, fashion campaigns, luxury product imaging, and fine art reproduction. In these environments, image quality is prioritized above everything else, while speed and continuous shooting performance are secondary concerns. Against this backdrop, the rumored leap to a 150 megapixel sensor in the Hasselblad X3D 150C immediately becomes significant. It is not simply an incremental improvement, it represents a substantial increase in resolution within a segment that already operates at extremely high levels of detail. A sensor of this scale would capture an extraordinary amount of visual information in a single frame, far beyond what is typically required in standard photography workflows. Every element in the image, from texture and surface detail to subtle transitions in light and shadow, would be recorded with extreme precision. For certain professional applications, this level of detail is not just desirable but transformative. One of the most immediate advantages of such high resolution would be cropping flexibility. Photographers would be able to reframe their images extensively in post-production without losing meaningful quality. This effectively changes how composition can be approached in the field, allowing more creative freedom during shooting. A second major benefit would be in large format printing. With 150 megapixels, images could be printed at extremely large sizes while maintaining exceptional sharpness and clarity, making it ideal for billboards, gallery prints, and high-end advertising displays. A third advantage lies in micro-detail reproduction, which is especially important in industries like luxury product photography, automotive advertising, and fine art documentation, where every minute detail contributes to the final perception of quality. However, such extreme resolution also brings inherent challenges. Increasing megapixel count is not simply a matter of adding more pixels, it introduces complex technical limitations. As pixel density increases, individual photo sites become smaller, which can affect their ability to capture light efficiently. This can potentially impact low light performance and dynamic range if not properly engineered. Additionally, file sizes become significantly larger, which increases storage requirements and slows down workflow processes. A single RAW file from a 150 megapixel sensor can be extremely demanding to process, store, and edit, especially in high-volume professional environments. To address these challenges, the rumored Hasselblad X3D 150C is expected to include a significantly improved internal processing system. This would not only handle the increased sensor resolution but also optimize overall camera performance. Faster image processing pipelines would reduce delay between captures, while an enhanced buffer system would allow for more continuous shooting before slowdown occurs. Improved write speeds to high-performance memory cards would also be essential to maintain efficiency. In essence, the camera would need to be engineered not just for image quality, but for the ability to manage enormous amounts of data in real time. Autofocus performance is another area where the Hasselblad X3D 150C is expected to evolve. Historically, Hasselblad systems have been praised for their image quality but have lagged behind competitors in autofocus speed and tracking reliability, particularly in fast-moving or unpredictable environments. Their cameras have traditionally excelled in controlled studio settings, where subjects are static and lighting is carefully managed. However, modern photography demands greater versatility, and the rumored improvements suggest a shift in this direction. Enhanced subject detection, improved eye tracking capabilities, and better low-light focusing performance could significantly expand the camera's usability beyond traditional studio work. Ultimately, the discussion around the Hasselblad X3D 150C is not just about a single camera. It reflects a broader shift in how the imaging industry is evolving, where resolution, processing power, and computational efficiency are all being pushed to new extremes. Whether or not every rumor proves accurate, the conversation itself highlights how rapidly expectations are changing in professional photography. If a 150 megapixel medium format system does arrive, it could mark another major milestone in the ongoing pursuit of ultimate image quality, challenging photographers to rethink what is possible within a single frame.